Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, today we have started new batch which is DevOps plus AWS plus Linux. Yeah, which is a 78 batch, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. Yeah, from tomorrow we are going to start regular sessions. Yeah, whoever not attended today, you'll get the recording session. From tomorrow you can continue. Yeah, from tomorrow we are going to start regular sessions. Yeah, tomorrow we are going to work on AWS introduction, right? So what is cloud? What are the advantages of cloud? What is cost saving? Why the project teams are looking for cloud infrastructure? So what are the advantages of cloud? These are all will be covered. Yeah. So from tomorrow, sessions are very important. So don't miss the session from tomorrow. Yeah. So if you have any basic level questions, advanced level questions, right? Any other general questions, you can ask me anytime. I give you all the answers, right? So from tomorrow, yeah, sessions are we are going to work on real scenarios which are very very important. Don't miss the session from tomorrow. Fine. Yeah. Thank you all.